Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you an amazing item that's both high quality and practical for all EDC lovers and anyone who needs a utility knife in their daily life. This brand new titanium folding utility knife right here in my hand. It comes in two classic colors, black and silver. Whether you prefer a low-key and steady style or a clean and neat look, it's got you covered. The handle is about 3.46 inches long, which makes it super easy to carry. It also has a metal pocket clip on the back, so we can clip it inside our pocket, on our waistband, or even on the shoulder strap of our backpack. A lot of people worry that utility knives are too heavy and bulky to carry in their pockets, but this one is totally different. Plus, the titanium material is extremely wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. It will keep its great quality even after years of use. There are also anti-slip grooves on the side, so you can hold it firmly without it slipping out of your hand. Of course, it's blade replaceable. All you need to do is press this button on the side, and you can pull the blade out. Then you can replace it with a new, sharp blade. No need to worry about the blade getting dull over time. It can handle most daily cutting needs, like cutting ropes of various materials, paper, and opening packages. But keep in mind, it's just a razor blade, so don't push it too hard with overly large or heavy tasks. As a daily tool, it's more than practical enough. Whether you carry it as your EDC or keep it as a backup at home or in the office, it's perfect. If you enjoyed today's introduction, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, bye.